You become frustrated when your tomato cages completely fail on you every single year. All these tomato plants had tomato cages on them, and now you can see that they are completely tipped over and ruining your hard-earned work that you put in the springtime. I got a solution for you. It's EZ-Step Products. EZ-Step Products builds one of the best plant support systems that you can put on and keep adding more support rings as the plant continuously grows. As you can see here, look at all this. Ruined. So the crop is not going to yield as much as it should have. Visit EZ-Step Products at ezstepproducts.com.